Hello student, in this video I will discuss about your exercise 3.2. So see, first question is find the unknown quantity side angle of the following quadrilaterals. Here the arrow marks given in the opposite sides denote that the pair of lines are parallel. Now first figure is this. So I draw this figure in a copy. Now see, in this figure you have to find the unknown quantity A. Now at first you see that what is this figure, what type, this is a quadrilateral and this quadrilateral is called parallelogram. So for finding this angle we need to know all the properties of quadrilateral. So for there is a angle related property of quadrilateral, that is the opposite sides of quadrilateral are opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. That means we know since opposite angles of parallelogram, that means short form of parallelogram is parallelogram. We can write the parallel sign and GM. This is called parallelogram. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So therefore A equal to 80 degree. By this property we find the value of angle A. Now our second question or second figure is this. Here we find A, B, C. So before finding A and C, we first find the angle B, because this is the opposite angles of 105 degree and we know the opposite angles of parallelograms are equal. So first we write, since opposite angles of parallelogram are equal, therefore B equal to 105 degree. Here we find the B equal to 105 degree. 105 degree. From B we find the angle A or C. We find angle A also, angle C also. So we find here angle A first. Again A plus B equal to 108 degree. Why 108 degree? Because we know since adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. There is a property, the adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. So here we know the value of B. B is 105 degree. That's why I put the value of B here. Now A equal to 180. This 105 come to right side and its side also change. That means 180 degree minus 105, that means 75 degree. Here also we find the value of A, that means 75. Its value is 75 degree. Now from A we find the angle C. Now A equal to C. Why A equal to C? Since opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So therefore angle C equal to what? S value. What is the value of A? A equal to 75 degree. So here I find A equal to what? 75 degree, B equal to 105 degree, and C equal to also 75 degree. Now third figure is this. Here we find A and B, both A and B. So first we find B, because these are the two adjacent angles and we know the adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. So from these two angles we find the angle B, and from B we find A. Since adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary, therefore 40 degree plus B plus 110 equal to 180 degree. That means this whole angle plus this angle equal to 180 degree. So B plus 40 plus 180 is 150 equal to 180, and B equal to what? 180 degree minus 150 degree. That means 180 minus 150 is 30. Here we find the B. B means 30 degree. And now see, this is the transversal and this angle is equal to this angle because they are the alternate angle, and alternate angle always equal. Now A equal to B. Why A equal to B? Since we write alternate angles. Alternate angles are always equal. Therefore angle A equal to 30 degree. We find the angle A also 30 degree. Therefore A equal to B equal to both are 30 degree. Now fourth figure is this one. Here sides values are given. This, all the four sides values are given. Here we find the A and B, value of A and B. And this side's opposite side is this, and this side's opposite side is this. And here we know one property is there, the opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. From this property we find the value of A first. Since opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, therefore 4A equal to 24. From here we find the value of A. 24 by 4, 24 by 4 is 6. The value of A is 6. Now we find the value of this, because these two sides also equal. Now 2B plus 1 equal to A. 2B plus 1 equal to not A, this is 9. So this is 9. Since opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Implies twice b equal to 9 minus 1, then twice b equal to 8, implies b equal to 8 by 2 equal to 4. Now therefore a equal to what? 6 and b equal to 4. See. Now the fifth figure is this. See this. This is the fifth figure. Here we find the value of a, b, and c, and this shape is a rhombus. First we find the value of a because all the sides of rhombus are equal. So since sides of rhombus are equal, therefore a equal to 17. Now this is the diagonals of rhombus, and they are perpendicular bisector of each other, and they bisect or intersect. They intersect each other at this point. So this side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to this part. This part is equal to this part, and this part is equal to this part. Now here we write. Now diagonals of rhombus bisect each other, therefore b equal to 8, for b equal to 8 and c equal to 15. Here we find all the values of a, b, and c. Therefore a equal to 17, b equal to 8 and c equal to 15. Now our sixth figure is this. This is the sixth figure. Here we find the value of a, b, and c. This is also a parallelogram. From this value we find the value b, because the opposite sides of parallelogram are opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. That means b equal to 75 degree. If we find b, then we find also a, because sum of these two angles, these two are the adjacent angle, and sum of these two angles is 180 degree. From these two angles we find the value of a. Now c. Since opposite angles of parallelogram are equal, since opposite angles of parallelogram are equal, therefore b equal to 75 degree, or b equal to 75 degree. Now adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. Therefore a plus b equal to 180 degree. Now I put the value of a, b here. B is 75 degree, therefore equal to 180 degree. Now A equal to 180 degree minus 75 degree. Therefore value of A is 180 minus 75, 105 degree. Here the value of A is 105. Now from the value of A we find the value of C also. Again A equal to C. Why A equal to C? Since opposite angles of parallelogram are equal, therefore C equal to 105. Hence all the angles of A equal to what? C equal to 105 degree, and B equal to 75 degree. The next numbers are I complete this all the figures in my next video. Thank you for watching.